Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we are diving into something truly spectacular, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxurious beast on wheels designed to redefine road travel. From the first glance, you'll see that this is no ordinary RV. Its presence alone commands attention, blending power, elegance, and sheer sophistication. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is jaw-dropping. Its sleek aerodynamic design, polished chrome accents, and bold contours give it the look of a private jet on wheels. Every angle is carefully crafted to impress, with custom paint options and detailing that make it stand out on any highway. It's not just transportation, and it's a statement. Step inside and you enter a world of pure luxury. The living area is vast with plush seating, ambient LED lighting, and a 4K smart TV that rivals any high-end home theater. You can relax in comfort, entertain guests, or enjoy a cinematic experience on the road. The craftsmanship is meticulous. Every surface, from the cabinets to the floors, exudes quality and elegance. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design and functionality. It features premium appliances, a full-sized refrigerator, a high-end oven, and elegant countertops. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or a full gourmet dinner, this kitchen is fully equipped and beautifully appointed. Adjacent to it, the dining area combines comfort and style, making every meal a memorable experience. The bedroom is the ultimate retreat. A king-sized bed, smart climate control, and subtle ambient lighting create a serene hotel-like atmosphere. The bathroom is equally impressive with modern fixtures, a spacious shower, and LED lighting, making it feel like a private spa. Every detail is designed to maximize comfort, convenience, and luxury. Technology is another highlight. Advanced navigation, entertainment systems, and connectivity options ensure a seamless travel experience. This motorhome is smart, intuitive, and luxurious, designed to make every journey effortless. In short, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace, turning every trip into a first-class adventure. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in ultimate comfort without compromising style, this is the motorhome you've been waiting for. That's it for today's tour. If you enjoyed this review, like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible automotive content. Stay tuned to Auto Plus for exclusive luxury vehicle reviews and the latest in automotive innovation.